आप सबको मेरा नमस्ते दोस्तों। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल चेरी ऑन द टॉप वेयर आई शेयर माय क्रिएटिविटी। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
I have this wooden tray with me and I bought it online from Amazon. If you guys want, you can also buy the same thing from Amazon. Actually, in the description in the Amazon site, it is already mentioned that this tray is specifically made for DIY or crafts. So that's why I thought of buying it because I wanted one. So now I have taken this acrylic color, it's a white color, and I'm going to paint this wood with this white color. And actually I'm thinking of applying some kind of contact paper inside of this tray on the base. So my coloring technique for this inside part is just random. I'm just giving a random strokes. So it's like right now I'm just least bothered about the inside part because any which ways I'm going to get it covered with something or some contact paper, you would say. So that contact paper I won't be applying right now in this video, but later on I'm thinking of applying it. So right now it's the only purpose that I wanted to make this tray look like a rustic, a farmhouse looking tray. So for that I'm going to give it a distress look. So this distress look is basically an activity of making a piece of furniture look like an older or aged. So it kind of give it a weathered look. So there are many methods of doing it. It has also become really popular nowadays. So we are doing the same thing today. So this distress look is created with the sanding technique. So you apply the generous amount of paint and then take some paint off with the sanding process from random areas. So the key is to sand some random areas that tend to get bumped and scratched naturally, so it kind of look organic. So here I'm done with the inside part. Now I'm going for the outer part, and for that I'm applying some paint, but I'm not applying a generous amount of paint. I'm taking a little bit of paint and then I'm painting it slowly, but I'm not covering whole part, I'm just covering some spots. So instead of doing a sanding technique, what I am thinking, I will just apply less paint and I won't go for sanding technique. You guys can go for the sanding technique for this look if you don't want to do this. But I thought it's the easy one because this base, it's a wood color on the base and I'm applying white color. So I think that's quite good. It looks really nice, like this rustic look without the sanding technique. And here I'm done. I thought that's the easiest one, guys. I mean, just look at it. Isn't it looking really nice without the sanding technique? I'm liking it this way, so I'm just skipping the sanding technique. You guys can go ahead for it as per your preferences. Also, you can do one thing. You can apply the base color, a darker one, anything, I would say a dark grey color. So if you apply that base paint in a grey color, then apply this white color with the strokes I did. So you can give it, the same look right now, but instead of the wooden base, you would get a base of a darker color. Now I have taken this cotton rope, and what I am doing, I am just measuring it for you guys that how much rope I have sticked to this tray. So to just let you know, it's like 22 inches. So I've taken 2 ropes of 22 inches and now I'm just tying a knot at the end. So now I'm pushing this one loose end through this hole and I'm taking it inside again and I'm tying a knot here. So because of these knots, this rope won't be able to slip through these holes. So So that's the main purpose for that. So I'm repeating the similar procedure for the second rope as well. So I wanted these ropes to look something like this. So I'm going to apply some hot glue on this wooden tray, and I will stick this rope so that it kind of give it a look of handles. So this is the final look of our tray. It can be used for the decorative purpose, or it can also be used for the serving tray. So for our next DIY, this is the inspiration picture. So this is basically a Monstera plant. So this is how the Monstera plants looks like. It grows with these dark leaves and holes in them, and these are extremely popular by themselves as a simple accent in your home decor. So we are going to make a Monstera leaf today. Not a green color Monstera, but a white color Monstera. So I have searched a picture of leaf online, and this is what I found, and I chose it for today's project. So I'm going to draw it on some white paper. So I'm taking the pencil and I just started drawing it. So I'm making a basic leaf shape first, and inside that I'll draw the little parts of that leaf. It's quite simple to draw this leaf, but if still you feel that it's quite difficult for you, I'll tell you the easiest way to draw a leaf after this Monstera. I'm almost done drawing with this leaf part, so I'll just make little holes inside which the Monstera leaf generally has. After this, I'll take a scissor and I'll just cut this leaf from the edges, so it kind of gives me a perfect shape. Now I'm taking this paper again and folding it from like the middle part, and once I folded it, I will draw a leaf shape and then I will cut it. So after that, when I open that page, I will get a perfect leaf shape. So these are our two leaves, one a normal leaf and a second Monstera leaf. So you can choose any one from this. So now I have taken this cotton and it's quite thick. I want a thin cotton, so I'm just removing it from like the middle line, and I will make two pieces from this one cotton piece. so I have cut off the excess cotton and I made a shape of leaf. So now I wanted to add this wood stick inside this leaf. So I will just take some cotton out and I will just put this stick inside and I'll just cut the excessive. So if you can see on this leaf, this is basically holes in this Monstera leaf. So instead of considering as a hole, I wanted to consider it as a water effect. So like the water is dripping from the leaf. So I will just apply some watery effect on that leaf with the help of hot glue gun. So this is how the leaf is looking once we applied that hot glue on this leaf. So here I am signing off for today. Thank you for joining. I'll come back soon with another video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Have a nice day.